use of legal terms and expression, English second semester, part 1. Ab initio, from the very beginning. Abet, to reduce or put an end, questioning of writ or action. Abater, one who encourages or adds the offenders or commission of an offense. Abrogate, to repel, cancel, or annul. Absconder, one who run away from legal process or avoids arrest. Accessory, a person who is concerned in the crime but does not actually commit the crime. Accomplice, a person who is associated with another person in the commission of an offense. Accused, in a criminal trial, the person who is called accused of a crime or who commits the crime. Acquittal, the process order or of discharge by the court setting one free from suspicious or guilt of an offense. Act, law made up by the competent legislature. An act which occurs beyond the human action. Act of Parliament, legislature or acts enacted by the central government and includes central acts only but not state acts which are enacted by the state government or governments. Actionable claim, giving cause for legal action or for demand as one's due or property. Actionable wrong, a wrong in respect of which an action lies in a court of law. For example, defaming another is an actionable wrong. Actus reus, the physical act involving or constituting occurrence of crime. Ab hoc, for a particular purpose. Ab vulnum, according to value. Adjourned, to defer the hearing of a case to another date in court. Administrative law, law relating to functions and power of government or organization or authorities. Admonition, a judicial remand to an accused who is then discharged from further prosecution and punishment. Adverse position, when an owner is not in possession of his property but someone else, such owner is said to be in adverse position. Affidavit, a written statement under an oath which is sworn to by person making it as true. ये सारी याद करने वाली चीजें, मैं इनमें कुछ नहीं बता सकता। और ये पार्ट 1 है हमारा यूज ऑफ लीगल टर्म्स एंड एक्सप्रेशन का, इसके और भी वीडियोस आएंगे। थैंक यू।